332 turbo rebuild day 13. It's alive. So I got the grommets in the tank. That was a royal pain in the butt. Heated them up, put grease, everything. Finally got the fittings to push in. The low fuel level sensor. I think it might actually be leaking on where those little dinky wires come out of there, so might have to JB weld or something that. But got that on, got the tank hooked up, filled up the transmission. I put, I think it was 4 quarts in, and I'm only about halfway up on that, so I gotta get all the way up into that sight tube yet, so not gonna go and drive it around much, but should be plenty for it to draw into the pump and work just fine. I did have it running. It's freezing cold out still, 15 degrees, so I put a electric heater underneath the engine block while I was doing the oil and some other stuff, got it up to temperature, and I'll show you what happens here. All right, well, I got some more work to do yet, getting all the sheet metal on, wiring a little bit to do yet, and then top the transmission off. Need to get some more diesel, but we're on the home stretch, and it is supposed to warm up. It's supposed to be in the 20s next week, so should be nice for doing some of that last minute stuff. All right, as always, please subscribe. Like, comment, like all the engagement. Keeps things exciting for all of us.